Hello, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. Do number 7 here in Trig Substitution. Remember, this is x squared plus 9. So this would be the usual format in a right triangle. You know, this would be the hypotenuse here. Let's do it. Index 8 to get to my menu. We'll do it quick here. Scroll down to u-substitution. Enter your function, pressing alpha first. I've already done that. Give you a chance to change it if you made a mistake. And you'll notice that the integral of 1 over square root of x squared plus 9 dx is the same as dx over square root of x squared plus 9. Notice that this dx on the end, which mostly you see it in a format in calculus, that could be the numerator. That is the numerator anyways, you know. And of course, if this was a 9 or an 8 or a 7 or some other number here in the numerator, that would go outside of the integral right away, okay? So anyways, next screen, the identity is equal to x equals a times tan of u. So the derivative of both sides is dx equals a secant squared u du. That's the derivative of tan of u. And x squared is equal to a squared times tan squared of u. Did I say tan? This is secant squared of u, yeah. So evaluating that, we put the dx up here in the numerator, a times secant squared of u du, and the square root of a squared times tan squared of u plus a squared, okay? Factor out the square root of a squared, and we get this identity here, tan squared of u plus 1. Dx stays the same up here. The a's cancel. We have secant squared of u du on the top and square root of tan squared of u plus 1 in the bottom. There will be an identity. The identity is secant squared of u. We place that into the square root sign here. Notice they cancel. Not yet, but when you square root of that would be secant of u. So the integral of that, and that has a rule, log of secant u tan of u plus c. So we figure out what secant u is, which is square root of x squared plus 9 over a, and tan of u is equal to x over a. We're using algebra in here, right? Remember, we found these before, but now we're just switching the a's to the other side here. And we replace it in the rule, and we have log of square root of x squared plus 9 over absolute a in the denominator, plus x over a, and plus c. We simplify, common denominator here, tighten up the denominator, and using log properties, where in division you have numerator, log of numerator minus the log of the denominator, and plus c1, where c1 is equal to log of 3. So we have our answer, log of square root of absolute x squared plus 9 plus x plus c. Alright, go to my site, buy my programs, and enjoy passing calculus. Otherwise, study this crap for hours and hours not knowing what to study. Look at just what you have to study just on this. This would be hard enough for a midterm right here. Just pick out any one of these and let's see if you can do it, you know. Calculus is a Sudoku of math, solves nothing, just number of puzzles, very difficult puzzles to remember, and you memorize that and try to get through it. So anyways, by my programs, if you have the calculator and you're allowed to use it in your class, use it with my programs in there. 485 programs in your calculator, okay, for $40. So anyways, good luck in your classes, and have a good one.